Kelly and welcome back to the channel and to today's video where we will be going into my kitchen here and doing up a few little changes to bring in more of a summer feeling in here. Last time I decorated it was for early spring, and now that the warmer weather is coming, I thought I would just give it a little bit of a freshen up and change out a few things. Not a major change at all, just tweaking a few areas. Now, as always, I'm only going to be shopping my home. I haven't gone out and purchased a single thing. It's been a little difficult to get the kind of look that I think I want, and with just the stuff that's in my house, but you know, that's reality for a lot of people. So I want to show you how you can just look around your home, get out things that you've used before and maybe use them in a new way and give the room a little bit of a refresh. So if you're excited for this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you join me each week as I share more things home decor related, some DIYs, a little bit of cooking, and now that summer's here, maybe even some gardening. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. I hope you enjoy. The first thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is just do a quick swap out of these bar stools. I had mentioned a few videos back that we were looking to get my mother's when she sold her condo, but unfortunately they sold with the condo. So I picked these up off Amazon at an amazing price. It was less than $120 for the pair. And they are so perfect for this space. They look great in the kitchen. They're very, very comfortable. They're not real leather, but at $120 for the pair, you don't expect that at all. But we are really pleased with the way these came together. I will be sure to leave a link to those chairs in the description box below in case you're interested in something similar for your own home. And here's a look at how my coffee bar currently looks. This is the way I did it for spring. As I mentioned in the intro, I am just going to be swapping out a few things here in the kitchen to give it a fresher look for the summertime. Everything I'm using in this coffee station are things that I have had for a number of years, including the dish towel, which was a dollar store purchase a number of years ago. I am so enjoying having my teapot out. Every night we make a pot of tea after dinner, and it makes exactly 2 cups for us, so I am just loving it. I'm so glad I decided to take it out and put it on the counter to use. And here in this vase, I'm just going to do a quick swap out of the greenery for these beautiful Cosmo stems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. I am going to be reusing that piece of greenery in another part of the kitchen, and you will see that in a few minutes. And then I thought it would be fun to add in these blueberry stems. I don't know if they're actually blueberries, but they're blueberry stems, again from Hobby Lobby a number of years ago, just to start tying in some blue pieces with the rest of the kitchen. And I think this turned out so pretty. I love the way this little corner looks, but I wanted to reuse this ginger jar in another room in the house. So I thought it would be fun to take the candle with the cloche on the pedestal here that I had used in the coffee bar. I love the way this looked with the wreath on the bottom, but I thought it would be fun to place it over here and bring the lemon theme over into this corner, and I thought it looked so pretty. But I felt it was just missing one thing. It just needed some more greenery over here, and I found this stem in my stash. No idea where I got it, how long I've had it, but I thought it would look so pretty around the base, intertwined with the wreath, and I think it looks so cute. Although I love these pictures here right beside the wine rack and this corner, I have another idea for those in another spot coming up soon. And I decided to replace them with my cutting board. I've had this cutting board here before, and I really do love it here. I just feel like there's something missing on it though. Not sure what it is. I thought maybe this little pot holder might work. Wasn't crazy about it, but not sure what it is. I'll have to think on it. Maybe it's a ribbon. I'm not sure, but I just left it plain for now. What I found really interesting was that when I looked at the cookbook that I have on display, I have some greenery with the white flowers and some lemons that tie back, and then there's some wood elements on her shelves, very similar to what I have here. And then there's the white elements. There's a dish and some, a pitcher, some other things there with the white ceramic, and I thought that worked very well with the base of this candle holder. And then the wood elements of the shelves ties in really well with the cutting board. So I felt this corner suddenly complemented that picture so well. I'm really not changing much over here. I like this setup. It works for us. But I did have a basil plant in this pot in my last video. I loved it. Unfortunately, it caused a few problems with ants being in the kitchen, and that wasn't working, so I had to get rid of it. And this is where I put the greenery from the coffee station. And I thought to bring in some blue over here. I used a pot holder. Not sure if I'm loving it there, so I'm going to live with it for a few days and maybe make a change if I have to. Next to the sink, nothing really changed other than I used a piece of china for my dish brush. And same here. I love this setup with the flowers. Did not change it at all. Now over in this corner, as you saw, I usually have my wood bowl for my fruit. And I decided to change it up and bring out this beautiful yellow bowl I've had forever. Can't remember. I know I got it from HomeSense, so I thought I would bring it out to bring in some yellow over here. This beautiful plate I received as a wedding gift 38 years ago, and I love it. So I thought I would bring it out. Like, why hide it in a cupboard instead of using it? And just to show you that I am using things, I'm just shopping in my home, I thought I would create a little moment over here. I had just made this piece of pound cake, and I got out this other little stand and these wine goblets that are from my mother-in-law. Put them on the stand there and put some of the same greenery that I'm using throughout the kitchen just to bring a pop of green over here. I thought it was a fun little way to bring so that I could grab that glass in the morning for my orange juice. I just thought it was a fun idea. Now I'm going to work on the kitchen table, and I'm just going to do some replacing of some items with all things that I have had. Again, just reusing, shopping my home. This is the point where I was kind of disappointed I didn't have anything to replace these placemats. I thought I had something, but when I looked around the house, I could not find. I must have gotten rid of them. I'm not sure. I thought I had some lighter, more summery ones, but then again, I thought, you know what? They kind of tie in with the stand that I recently spray painted black. I did a quick DIY makeover on it, and I thought, you know what? they are just going to have to do for now. I love these placemats, don't get me wrong, and I love them with that wicker charger underneath. So I just put a white one on top and brought out my old blue dishes and these pretty little side plates that I've had for a number of years. Then I thought I might try these napkins here just to bring in a bit of a different texture, different pattern, and I hated it. So they are gonna go. They're not gonna stay here. Hate this look. So now I'm just gonna finish up the rest of the place settings. Just showing you a bunch of the things that I had brought out to try and work into the kitchen. These blue and white dish towels are also from the dollar store. I have some yellow ones from IKEA, and I thought I would do a bit of a layering of these dish towels over here on the stove. I thought I'd lay the yellow one down first, this nice pale yellow, and the blue ones over top. I love the way this looks. I think it's just different and fresh and clean, and it's not a bright yellow in your face. And then over here, I didn't want to replicate the same thing. I don't want too matchy, but I did put the other blue dish towel over there as well. And here's a look at just some of the florals I'm pulling from that I've had in my decor bins for a number of years. These blueberry stems again from Hobby Lobby, the Cosmos, those other picks with the greenery and the little white flowers, and these beautiful thistles that are a deep navy blue. I love to use those in the fall. Now I'm going to just play around with some of the floral arrangements, using some of these picks, drawing inspiration really from the outdoors, some of the garden flowers I have, the hanging baskets I've just purchased, and just do a few little tweaks here and there in these floral arrangements and just bring some summertime vibes into the kitchen.
Look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on.
I ended up moving those pictures to this wall as you come into the kitchen. This is the wall that I wallpapered in a recent video. I'll leave a link to that video in case you're interested, but I need your opinion. I know plates on the wall are a big thing right now. What do you think if I were to add one of my china plates up here? Now, here's a quick look at how the kitchen came together for summer 2025. I think it looks great. Just these little tiny tweaks have really freshened the space up and just made it feel lighter and brighter.
Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you.
Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope this video gave you a little inspiration to make your space feel more like you without having to spend a lot of money. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more easy ideas to decorate and organize your home. And if you're looking for even more inspiration, be sure to check out one of these videos next. So until next time, I hope you have a great week.
Didn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had